Hi and welcome to this video on how to download and install MySportsAILite. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need to load up the smartersig.com website, and then we need to go over to the MySportsAI page, which we can access through the links on the left here. And we'll find the download and install MySportsAILite link about halfway down the page here. We click on that. We can now see that down in the bottom left hand corner here it's downloading the setup program. This is going to take about two to 3 minutes to execute and download the software, so I'll just pause the video here. Okay, the install software is now loaded, has been downloaded, took about 2 minutes. What we need to do now is just double click on the executable, which is down in the bottom left hand corner here of the window. This is now going to run the setup routine. The first thing it's going to do is ask me if this app is okay to run on the PC. Well, of course it is, it's safe. If you click on the more info, it'll give you some more info about the actual application, and then all you need to do is click run anyway. Okay, the installation software now is going to run and install MySportsAILite. It'll ask me a few questions about the setup, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, we're just waiting for the setup software to get its act together. Okay, the first thing the setup software will do is ask me if I agree with the licensing agreement. So if I just click on the checkbox there and then click next. Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? Well, certainly yes, so I'll click next. And then it'll just finally check with me the settings that I've requested, and again it's just click install. Now it's going to, because I've previously had a version of MySportsAILite on the computer, it may well ask me whether I want to in fact it hasn't actually. I thought it was going to ask me if it wanted to overwrite the previous version. Okay, it's going to take about 2 minutes to install the software, so I'll just pause the video here. Okay, the installation is complete, and the final window is just asking me if I want to launch MySportsAILite. Once I click the finish button, well, I do. So if I click finish, we'll now get a small command window popping up, and it'll take a few seconds for MySportsAI to load up, and once it's loaded up we'll just take a quick initial look at it, but then in a following video we'll go into a little more detail about how it works and what we can do with it. Okay, here's the MySportsAILite screen. The purpose of MySportsAILite is it's a free version, and it allows you to get a feel for what the software is about and what it can do. There obviously is a full-blown version which you can purchase, but it's got on the website you'll see that it's got 4 or 5 limitations compared to the full-blown version, and I'll go through those on the next video. But the main one is that it comes with only 1 year of flat data, but that's enough for us to play around with and get a feel for what the software can do. So tune into the following video to this one, and we'll have a little play around and create a simple model and create some ratings for today's racing. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you've got any comments, please add them onto the video below the video. Thank you very much.